What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on XRP because this coin just broke its previous all-time high. In this video we will take a look what is the exact price that I think XRP is gonna hit, and also I will show you the exact setups that I am currently watching here. So if you are interested about the exact trades or if you just want to see my exact price prediction, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a daily time frame, which is currently the most important chart that you need to watch. As I showed you, we just broke, let's say, previous all-time high on this coin. And right now, it's like super important how this candle will close. Because right now, we just did a massive fake out. And if right now there will be a resistance confirmation, this might not be good for XRP. So if today's and tomorrow's daily candle will close under the previous all-time high, it's probably not gonna be good and we will see some pullback. But don't worry, in this video I will show you the exact areas where you can buy this coin on like lower levels, because I still think that in this alt season XRP will go on much higher levels. On the other hand, if we will see a breakout with a support confirmation, this can be a great long entry. Let's say the support confirmation will happen, for example, on this level, and stop loss in this case you need to place under the low that we will create with this or like the tomorrow's daily candle. So if this will be the low, your stop loss will be around 4.5% of a net market. Last take profit targets in this case you can then place under $5 mark, which is next important psychological resistance that I think this coin is gonna hit. So the potential profit here is around 40% of a net market, potential stop loss around 4.5%, which will give us risk reward ratio up to 8.49. Definitely in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you definitely want to take under $4 mark, which will be first important psychological resistance, then under like 4.2, 4.3, 4.6, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio will be more like 6, something like that, which is in my opinion still absolutely amazing setup. On the other hand, if there won't be that breakout with a support confirmation, as I said, I'm expecting another, let's say, fall back down. For this scenario, I am watching here this bullish order block, which is between levels 2.892 and 2.824. If there will be a retest with a liquidity grab and then a support confirmation, this can be actually another really interesting opportunity to get into a long position. Stop loss you need to place just under the low that we will create during the fake out. Last take profit targets you can place under the current all-time high, which will give you in this case risk reward ratio up to approximately 9.3. Again, this is not gonna be your final risk reward ratio. You can take here multiple take profit targets. So for example, under this previous important high and low around this level, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be around 6, something like that, which is in my opinion really great. If you want to trade here something even on a lower time frame, then you can check this bullish order block on the 1 hour chart. This is in my opinion the lowest possible chart that you can trade here. And if there will be a liquidity grab again with a support confirmation, you can use it to open here a long position as well. Again, stop loss you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. In this trading scenario, you can trade here either risk reward ratio 1 trade, which will look for example like this. This is in my opinion really good setup, because after a liquidity grab and support confirmation there is actually much higher probability that the coin will go for at least a small pump, or you can place it under the current high. This will give you risk reward ratio up to 5.1. So with multiple take profit targets you will get risk reward ratio around 4, which is another really great potential setup that you can take. Let's now switch to a weekly time frame. If this will be just a massive fake out to grab that liquidity above this previous all-time high and the price will go down again, honestly, I am not that big of a fan of this scenario. In my opinion, there is really small probability that something like this can happen. Then I am watching here this bullish order block, which is between levels 2.295 and 2.972. So again, in case of a support confirmation of this area, this can be really great long opportunity. But if something like this, let's say, would happen, I will definitely make another YouTube video or at least analysis in my Discord channel. So if you want to know about all the altcoins that I'm watching, or if you simply want to copy my trades, then don't forget to join. A link to join is in the description or in the comments. But if I'm gonna, let's say, take a look on this bigger picture, you can see this is really strange chart. And let's say, how will this current weekly candle close will determine how this coin will perform. So right now there is really important for this weekly and the next weekly candle to close above this previous all-time high. And if this will happen, I'm expecting here another pump. My take profit target, or like the price that I'm expecting this coin is gonna hit if there will be the support confirmation, is around $5 mark. Of course, we can go much higher, but for now you need to understand that this coin right now is on a really high prices. Not that many altcoins, let's say, broke their previous all-time highs. So I think $5 mark is definitely doable. And of course, we can go on a higher levels, but if I will be opening here some long positions that I talked about in this video, $5 mark can be my main take profit target. But definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin and what is the exact price that you think this coin is gonna hit. Right now, especially with the new all-time high, I'm watching predictions that like XRP is gonna hit like $20, $40, $50 per one XRP. In my opinion, this most likely is not gonna happen, but eventually if we are gonna get like $7, $8 mark, something like that, this is still from a current level potential pump around like 100 to like 127% of a net market, which is definitely not bad. And probably a lot of you who are watching these videos, who are big fans of XRP, and you most likely accumulated this coin on like these lower levels. So right now you are in absolutely amazing profits around like 800% of a net market, something like that. You couldn't get this on Bitcoin, Ethereum, almost any other altcoin. So yeah, congratulations to everybody who are holding this coin in your long-term portfolios. You must be celebrating even with this target. And if this coin will, for example, get to like $5 mark, you will get from your entry profit around like 1,200%, maybe almost like 2,000% of a net market. Yeah, this is really crazy. So congratulations to everybody who bought this coin on like lower prices. Is it good opportunity to buy this coin right now to your long-term portfolio? Well, in my opinion, probably no. For the current prices, they might be better altcoins, because like 100% of a net market is a great potential move, but I think there are, let's say, altcoins that can do much better, because this coin right now is like on really high prices. I hope it's understandable. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Let me know your price prediction in the comments, and if you want to copy all of my analysis, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. It's completely free. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. So yeah, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.